Good morning, students. Today our topic is mean and variance of the distributions. Okay, so first the mean, or we can say the expected value or mathematical expectation of the random variable. It is denoted by E of x. What is E of x? We can say it is the expected value or mean or mathematical expectation of the random variable. Okay, it is denoted by E of x or mu. E of x or mu. Okay, if the random variable is a discrete random variable, that is the values of the random variable are countable. Okay, we can count the values of the random variable. E of x formula is summation of x into f of x. X is the values of the random variable and f of x is the probability mass function. So you have to multiply x and f of x and you have to add the product of x and f of x. If x is continuous, you have to use integral minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x into dx. Okay, so E of x, we have some properties. So we are going to see now E of ax plus b. If you want to write E of ax plus b, that is it's a linear term in x. So ax plus b, here a and b are constants. If you want to find the expected value of ax plus b, the answer is a into E of x plus b. Okay, so see the proof. E of ax plus b. Here I have considered x is the discrete random variable. So here I have used summation. So summation of axi plus b into f of xi. Why I have written E of x, the formula is summation of x into f of x. If you are having x here, you have to write x into f of x. So in the same way, in the place of x, here you are having ax plus b. So therefore, axi plus b into f of xi. Here why I have used the suffix I means I varies from 1 to infinity. That is countable number of values. Okay. So in the summation I have to apply to both the terms. So summation I is equal to 1 to infinity axi f of xi plus b into f of xi. First I have split it in this step. Next I am going to apply the summation. So it's a summation I is equal to 1 to infinity axi f of xi plus summation I is equal to 1 to infinity b into f of xi. Okay. See here I have written. So you see in all the terms you are having the constant a. So it is taken out. Okay, summation I is equal to 1 to infinity xi f of xi. So x value and the probability mass function, if it is multiplied, whose summation is nothing but E of x. So for the whole term, which term? This term. For this term we have written E of x, and from this term, if you in all the terms b is multiplied, so we can take b out. So it's a summation I is equal to 1 to infinity f of xi. What is f of xi? It's a probability mass function. So whose summation? So sum of all the probabilities in the probability mass function, that is the total probability, that is equal to 1. So therefore you are getting E of ax plus b is equal to a into E of x plus b. So for example, if we have what the result we have learned, E of ax plus b is equal to a into E of x plus b. Okay, where a and b are constants. So suppose E of 2x plus 5. If you have like this, how it will be written? So if you apply the expected value for the first term, it is 2 into E of x plus 5. So this will be the answer. So from this you have two corollary. One is if b is equal to 0. So if b is equal to 0, here you are having E of x. So E of x is equal to a into E of x. This will become 0. What is E of b? A is 0 means That is here no x term, only constant. If you have e of b is equal to b. Okay, so e of b, that is what it is, e of 5. If you have the expected value of the constant is 5, but e of 5x, if you have the 5 is multiplied with x, means it is 5 into e of x. So next one, e of 2x minus 5 can be written as 2 into e of x minus 5. So if you have constant in the expected value of the constant is constant itself. The constant is multiplied with x, whose expected value is 5 into e of x, that constant into e of x. That is the property of expected value. So next we are moving to the next topic, variance of the random variable. So the mean and the variance only we are going to do in the problem. So the variance of the random variable is denoted by variance of x, var of x, or sigma squared, or sigma squared. So you have the three formulas in the variance of x. The first one, variance of x is equal to e of x minus e of x the whole square. You see that, e of x minus e of x the whole square. That is the variance formula. Otherwise, what is e of x here? E of x, just now the expected value we can denote by the symbol mu. Mu is nothing but e of x. So in the place of e of x you can substitute mu. So that is e of x minus mu the whole squared. So the variance of x is denoted by var of x, that is e of x minus e of x the whole square, or e of x minus mu the whole square. And if sigma squared is equal to variance of x, means your sigma, that is, what is it? It is sigma, that is equal to, sigma is nothing but square root of variance. Square root of variance, that is equal to standard deviation. So what is that? Square root of variance is nothing but standard deviation, that is denoted by sigma. Okay. So see now, we are going to see the properties in the variance. You see that first one, variance of x is equal to, what is it? Variance of x is equal to, the first one, e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. So this property only, this result only we are going to use in the problem. So variance of x formula is e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. This e of x squared is different from e of x the whole square. E of x is mean. Here you have to find e of x squared. Okay, so first you take, we have learned just now what is variance of x, e of x minus mu the whole squared. Okay, so from that formula we are going to derive this result. This only we are going to use in the solving the problems. So a minus b the whole square. So a squared plus b squared minus 2ab I have written here. So apply the expected value. So e of x squared plus e of mu squared minus e of 2x mu. So separately we have applied the terms. So e of x squared is written as it is. What is mu squared? It's a mean. So mu is a constant. So we have learnt e of b is equal to b. So therefore e of mu squared is equal to mu squared, since mu is a, what is it? Mu is a constant. So mu constant means mu squared also constant. So the expected value of the constant is constant itself. Minus, here what are the constant? 2 and mu are the constant. If you take it out, it is 2 mu into only x is there. So it is e of x. So e of x, how you can write? You can denote the symbol mu. So therefore it is mu squared minus 2 mu squared. So if you calculate these two values, it is minus mu squared. So what is mu? You can write e of x. So therefore variance of x is equal to e of x squared minus e of x the whole squared. So see, now you are having three results for variance. Variance of x is denoted by sigma squared. The first formula is E of x minus E of ax the whole square. This is the first one. Otherwise, you can write this as E of x minus mu the whole square. So, its next formula, E of x is equal to E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. This is, you should know in solving the problems. Okay. See now, here we are going to see the variance of ax plus b. So we have learnt E of ax plus b already. Now you see that variance of ax plus b. It is nothing but a squared variance of x. A and b are constant. So here the a is multiplied with x and b is a constant. So variance of ax plus b can be written as a squared variance of x. First we will see the proof. Variance of ax plus b. So what formula here it is used? E of x minus E of x the whole square. The first one. What is it? E of x minus E of x the whole square. So in the place of x you are having ax plus b. So in the wherever you are having x you have to substitute ax plus b. So ax plus b minus E of ax plus b the whole square. Okay, so ax plus b within the bracket ax plus b is written here. Now you have to apply the expected value for this. What is E of ax plus b? A into E of x plus b. So the minus has to apply to both the terms. So the first term is minus a E of x, அடுத்தது minus b. Okay, so E of ax plus b, what is it? This alone a E of x plus b. The minus, when you apply, you will get these two terms. So here plus b and the minus b getting cancelled. So here you are having what it is? Ax minus a E of x the whole square. From these two terms, what is common? A. So a is, if you take a out, it can be written as a into x minus E of x the whole square. Apply the power 2 for a. So it is E of a squared into x minus E of x the whole square. Got it clear? So you see now, what is E of ax? What is E of ax? It is nothing but a into E of x. So the constant we can take it out. What is the constant present here? A squared. If you take it out, it is E of x minus mu the whole square. So this a squared is taken out means it is E of x minus mu E of x the whole square. Okay, so here this is nothing but what it is? It is nothing but variance of ax. So variance of ax plus b is equal to a squared into variance of x. So see now, variance of ax alone. So b is 0 means it is a squared variance of x. Variance of b, if this term is 0 means variance of b is equal to, here also a will become 0. So variance of b is equal to 0. See now, here I am going to write E of x. Here I am going to write variance of x. So your x is now ax. Your x is ax. So E of ax is what? E of x is equal to a into E of x. What is variance of ax? That is a squared into variance of x. Okay, next one, I am going to write the constant b. Okay, only constant. What is E of b? E of b is equal to b. And variance of b, it is equal to 0. So the variance of the constant is equal to 0. But the expected value of the constant is equal to constant itself. So therefore, if you combine, so linear term ax plus b. So what is E of ax plus b? Ax plus b can be written, how it will be written? It is equal to a into E of x plus b. Got it? A into E of x plus b. What is variance of ax plus b? That is nothing but a squared into variance of x. If the constant comes, the variance a squared into variance of x. Now if the constant comes, the variance of the constant is equal to 0. So we have learned e of x and the variance of x. Just I recall the formula. So e of x is equal to, what is it? If it is a discrete, random variable is discrete, it is x into f of x. If it is continuous, instead of summation, you have to write minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x. Here integration comes, you have to write dx. Okay, this is the expected value, mean or e of x. Okay, so next we have to find variance of x, means your formula e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. This is the formula has to be used. So using these two formula, we are going to do the problems. You see exercise 11.4. Exercise, what is it? 11.4. For the random variable x with the given probability mass function as below, find the mean and the variance. Okay, see what you have to find. Read the question. Mean and the variance. So mean is e of x and the variance is variance of x, that is sigma squared. We have to find here what is given, probability mass function. You look at the function, so it looks like, what is it, two answers for f of x. One is x is equal to 0, 1, 3, 4. For that it is 1 by 5. When x is equal to 2 and 5, it is 1 by 10. So it's a continuous random variable or a discrete random variable. You see that we'll count the values 0, 1, 2, that is 0, 1, 3, 4. Here you are having 4 values, here you are having 2 values. So totally 6 values are there. So we can count it as 6 values. So it is a discrete random variable. So discrete random variable means if you want to find mean, you should know the formula in mean, that is summation of x into f of x. So you should know x and f of x. So for that I am going to tabulate the result. What are the x values? 0, 1, 3, 4 here. Here you are having 2, 5. So 0 to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 I have written for x. What's the probability here? P of x is equal to x you can write, otherwise you can write f of x. Here it is a probability mass function. So when x is 0, your f of x is what? 1 by 5. When x is equal to 1, your f of x is 1 by 5. But when x is equal to 2, so you have to go in this case. X equal to 2, what is the probability? It is 1 by 10. X equal to 3, again it is 1 by 5. X equal to 4, 1 by 5. When x is equal to 5, it is 1 by 10. So I have tabulated the result. So we have identified it as a discrete random variable. So to find mean, that is e of x, you have to use the formula summation x is x into f of x. What you have to do, x and f of x has to be multiplied. So x is 0 here, here it is 1 by 5. So 0 into 1 by 5 is 0. 1 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 10 is, that is 2 by 10. Plus 3 into 1 by 5 is 3 by 5. 4 into 1 by 5 is 4 by 5. 5 into 1 by 10 is 5 by 10. Okay. So see now, here this 2 by 10 can be written as 1 by 5. Here you are having plus 5 by 10. So 5 by 10 can be written as 1 by 2. So here if you add all the 4 terms, so the LCM is 5. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So if you take LCM, LCM is 10. So therefore it is 9 2s are 18 plus 5. So 18 plus 5 is 23 by 10. That is 2.3. So what we have found? We have found the mean. What is our next one? Variance of x. What is the formula we have to use? Variance of x is equal to, what is variance of x again? Variance of x is equal to e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. So which one we have found? E of x we have found. So we have to go for E of x squared. So E of x squared, what is the formula? E of x is summation of x into f of x. But E of x squared is what? Summation of x squared into f of x. So x value has to be squared and it has to be multiplied with f of x. X value alone has to be squared. So 0 squared is 0. 0 into 1 by 5 is 0. Okay, next x is what? 1. What is 1 squared? It is 1. 1 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. Here I have written. Next x value is 2. So when you square it is 4. 4 into 1 by 10. That is 4 by 10. Next one, 3 when you square it is 9. 9 into 1 by 5. So that is 9 by 5. X value alone you have to square it. So 4 squared is 16. 16 into 1 by 5. Here I have written. Plus 5. So 5 when you square it is 25 into 1 by 10. 25 by 10. So see now here 1 by 5 plus 9 by 5 plus 16 by 5 I have written. The next one 4 by 10 plus 25 by 10. So if you take LCM for these two terms it is 5. So when you add 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. 26 by 5. Plus if you add these two 29 by 10. Then take LCM. What is LCM? 10. So here it is 26 into 2, that is 52 plus 29, that is equal to 81 by 10. That we have found for E of x squared. Already we have found the mean, that is E of x. So therefore you have to substitute in the formula. What formula? Variance of x is equal to E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. E of x squared we have found what it is? 81 by 10. Okay, minus what is E of x? E of x, that is a mean we have found 23 by 10. Okay, so 23 by 10 the whole square. So if you square 23 it is 529 by 100. Okay, so if you take LCM, LCM is the 100. So therefore 810 minus 529, that is equal to 289 by 100. 289 by 100 can be written as 2.81. So you can call this as 1. Here you can write 1 implies. You will get variance of x. So in this way you have to find the, what is that? Mean and the variance of the given problems. Okay, second one, f of x is equal to 4 minus x by 6, where x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So x only 3 values are given. So x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and the probability mass function. So what is it? 4 minus x by 6. Substitute x as 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 3 by 6. X equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 by 6. X equal to 3. That is 4 minus 3 by 6. That is 1 by 6. Now you have to find the mean. What is mean? E of x. So it is a discrete random variable. So it's a summation of x into f of x. So 1 into 3 by 6 plus 2 into 2 by 6. So 2 into 2 by 6 is 4 by 6 plus 3 into 1 by 6, 3 by 6. So if you take LCM, 10 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 3. Next you have to write the variance formula. For that which is needed, E of x squared is needed. So E of x squared formula is what? Summation of x squared into f of x. So the x value has to be squared. So 1 squared into 3 by 6 is 3 by 6. 2 squared is what? 4. 4 into 2 by 6. So when you square x, 3 squared is 9 into 1 by 6. So 3 by 6 plus 8 by 6 plus 9 by 6. If you add all the results, you will get 20 by 6. That is equal to, what is that? 10 by 3. So we have found E of x and E of x squared. So you have to substitute in the variance formula. So variance of x is equal to E of x squared is 10 by 3 and E of x is 5 by 3 the whole square, that is 25 by 9. So the LCM is 9. So it will become 30 minus 25. So the variance of x is equal to 5 by 9. So okay. So we'll come to the third subdivision of the first problem. F of x is equal to 2 into x minus 1, where 1 less than or less than x less than 2. 0 otherwise. You see that the values of the random variable are within the interval 1 to 2, the open interval 1 comma 2. So set off all the real numbers between 1 and 2. So it has infinitely many number of values, we can't count it. So it is a continuous random variable. So continuous random variable means this f of x is a probability density function. For the continuous random variable, the mean formula is integral. We can't count it, so we should not use summation. So therefore integral minus infinity to plus infinity, what you have to write? X f of x into dx. Okay, minus infinity to infinity has to be split according to your problem. Your x varies from 1 to 2 alone, you are having result, otherwise it is 0. So minus infinity to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. Okay, see now this minus infinity to plus infinity can be split as integral minus infinity to 1, because 1 to 2 only you are having result. So minus infinity to 1 and integral 1 to 2 plus 2 to infinity. Okay, you have to write what is it? X f of x dx. So your f of x is here, it is 0. Okay, x into 0 dx, and here you are having value, that is 2x. X you have to write x into 2 into x minus 1 into dx. Here your f of x is 0. So therefore I didn't write these two results. Only I have taken integral 1 to 2. What is here? X is written. In that, what is your f of x? 2 into x minus 1 into dx. So x into, okay, this 2 can be written as, so I have here, I have multiplied with the 2, so 2x minus 2. So if you multiply with x, it is 2x squared minus 2x. If you have to integrate now, 2 is a constant, so x squared integrate பண்ணும்போது x cube by 3 minus 2x. How to integrate? 2 is a constant, when you integrate x, it is x squared by 2. You have to apply the upper limit. So upper limit, if you apply here, it is 2 cube, that is 8. Okay, the 2 getting cancelled, 2 squared is 4. When you apply the lower limit, it is 2 by 3 minus 1. Why it is 1? Here x has 1, so 1 squared is 1, 2 by 2 getting cancelled. So if you take LCM, here the LCM is 3, so 16 minus 12 by 3. Here 2 minus 3 by 3. So here what is it? 16 minus 12 is 4 by 3. Here what is 2 minus 3? That is minus 1. So minus 1 by 3. Here also what is minus? So minus into minus plus. So answer is 5 by 3. So next what do you have to find? You have to find e of x squared. So to find variance of x, e of x squared. So what is the formula? Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x squared f of x dx. So in the minus infinity to plus infinity, we can split as 3 integrals. The first and the last, f of x is 0. So we'll consider only integral 1 to 2 x squared 2x minus 2. So 2 into x minus 1, that I have written as 2x minus 2 into dx. Okay, if you multiply with x squared, 2x cube minus 2x squared into dx. If you integrate 2x power 4 by 4, 2 is a constant, x cube if you integrate x power 4 by 4 minus 2 is a constant, x squared if you integrate x cube by 3. You have to apply the upper limit. So in the place of x, what will you write? 2 power 4. What is 2 power 4? That is 16. 16 into 2 is 32. 32 by 4 I have written. Come to now, if you apply 2 here, it is 2 cube, that is 8. 8 2s are 16. So 16 by 3. 16 by 3. When you apply the lower limit, here you will have 1. So therefore 2 by 4 minus here 2 by 3. So if you take LCM, what is the LCM? It is a 12. Okay, so 32 into 3. 32 into 3 is, what is it? It is 60, 96. So therefore 96 minus here 4 16s are 64. 64 by 12 minus here 12, if you take LCM, 6 minus 8. So 6 minus 8 by 12. 96 minus 64 is, what is that? It is 32 by 12. And minus of 6 minus 8 is minus 2 by 12. So minus into minus plus. 32 plus 2 divided by 12, that is 34 by 12. And you have to substitute in the formula. Variance of x, e of x squared minus e of x the whole square. So e of x squared in the place 34 by 12. What is e of x we have found? E of x we have found as 5 by 3 for this problem. So 5 by 3 the whole square, 25 by 9. If you take LCM, LCM is 36. So if you multiply with 3, it is 102 minus 100. Here you will have 4. If you multiply 25 by 4, that is 100. So 102 minus 100 is 2 by 36. 2 by 36 is nothing but 1 by 18. So for the continuous random variable, we have to do, you have to use integration and you have to complete the problem. Coming to the fourth subdivision, f of x is given half into e power minus x by 2 for x is greater than 0, 0 otherwise. X is greater than 0 means what? It is 0 to infinity. So infinitely many number of values. So therefore it is a continuous random variable. So e of x is, you have to use integration. Integral minus infinity to plus infinity x f of x into dx. So if you split minus infinity to plus infinity, how it will be written? Minus infinity to 0. Why? X is greater than 0. So I have to stop at 0. So minus infinity to 0 plus 0 to infinity. So 0 to infinity only, x is greater than 0 means it is 0 to infinity only. You are having your f of x, otherwise it is 0. So you need here, your f of x is 0. So therefore this term will become 0. So we'll consider only the interval 0 to infinity. So you substitute here x is in the formula itself. You are going to substitute f of x. What is it? Half into e power minus x by 2 into dx. So if we take half out, so the remaining is in the form of integral 0 to infinity x power n e power minus ax into dx. So for this answer, n factorial by a power n plus 1. So here x power is what? It is 1. And this half is taken out. Okay. So e power minus x by 2. What is a here? A is the coefficient of minus x. So the coefficient of minus x is here. Minus x, if you take it out, what is remaining? Denominator 2. So that is 1 by 2. So your a is 1 by 2. What is your n? N is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 by 2. Here you are having 1 by 4. So if you can, this 4 will go to the numerator. So if you cancel, that is 2. In the same way, e of x squared has to be found. Mean is over. To find variance, we need e of x squared. So the formula is integral minus infinity to plus infinity x squared f of x into dx. Okay. So in this interval can be written as 0 to infinity alone. The first interval f of x is 0. So therefore x squared is written. What is your f of x here in this interval? Half into e power minus x by 2 into dx. Half, if you take it out, here you are having x squared integral 0 to infinity x squared e power minus x by 2. Now the power of x is 2. So therefore n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. A is 1 by 2. That is a coefficient of minus x, that is 1 by 2. So if you apply this formula here, what is n? N is 2. So therefore it is 2 factorial divided by 1 by 2, the whole power n plus 1. Now n is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So that is 1 by 8. Okay. So 1 by 2. So in the 8 will go to the numerator. So therefore 16. 16 by 2 is 8. Otherwise you can cancel these two getting cancelled. This 8 will go to the numerator. So the answer is 8. So you have to substitute in the variance of x. So e of x squared we have found 8. What is e of x? Already we have found it is 2. 2 squared is 4. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So you have to apply this formula, then only the problem will be easy. Integral 0 to infinity x power n into e power minus x into dx. It's a product of algebraic and the exponential term within the limit 0 to infinity. If you want to integrate, the answer is n factorial by a power n plus 1. What is n? N is the power of x. Algebraic function. In algebraic function, the power of x is n. And what is a? It's in the exponential function, the coefficient of minus x in the power is nothing but a. So you have to write it correctly. And coming to the problem number 2. Two balls are drawn in succession without replacement from an urn containing 4 red balls and 3 black balls. 4 red balls and 3 black balls. Let x be the possible outcomes drawing red balls. Find the probability mass function and mean for x. See that each and every word is important. Two balls are drawn in succession without replacement. So two balls is taken without replacement. So without replacement is what? If you take first ball, it is not going to replaced in the urn. So it is kept it separately. Then we are going to drawing the second ball. So this word is important, without replacement. From an urn containing 4 red balls and 3 black balls. Okay, see that totally you are having how much balls? 7 balls. So out of which you are having 4 red balls and 3 black balls. You see that? 4 red balls and 3 black balls. So 7 balls totally in the urn. So among the 7 balls, 4 are red and 3 are black. So from this, you are taking 2 balls one by one without replacement. So that is the sentences given here. Now x, capital X is denoted. So that is the random variable. Be the possible outcomes drawing red balls. So what is x? X we have to denote number of red balls. What you have to find? The probability mass function. So it is a discrete random variable. So it is a probability mass function and mean. Probability mass function means you have to find out P of x is equal to x. If you have only, you can find E of x. So do you understand that? Okay, so probability mass function and E of x has to be found. You see now here 2 balls are taken from the urn one by one without replacement. So if you take the first ball, it may be black. If you consider the second ball, that also black, means how many number of red balls? It is 0. So therefore the random variable takes value 0. So the out of 2 balls what you have drawn from the urn, any one is white, any one is red, and okay, red means x is equal to 1. What is x equal to 2? So x equal to 2 means what you have taken from the urn one by one, that is both are red balls, that is x is equal to 2. Can you have x equal to 3? Because 4 red balls are there. 4 red balls are there. X equal to 3 means 3 red balls we have to draw. But we are taking only 2 balls from the urn. So therefore x values are 0, 1, 2. Okay. So what is P of? We have to find the probability mass function. So for that we have to go for P of x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 means number of red ball is 0. Okay, x equal to 0 means what? Number of red ball is 0. So no red ball. Okay, so for totally how much black balls are there? 2 black balls, because we are taking 2 balls from the urn. Okay, so x equal to 0 means no red ball. So what we have drawn from the urn, both are black balls only. So therefore, you see how many black balls are there? You are having 3 black balls. From that, you are selecting 2 black balls. So it can be written as 3C2. So from the red ball, you didn't select anything. So it is 4C0. Okay, so divided by how much balls totally? 7. From that, how many balls you are drawing? That is C2. So this is the answer for P of x is equal to 2. So listen here now. X equal to 0 means number of red ball is 0. So the 2 balls are black balls only. So 2 black balls has to be taken from 3 black balls. So therefore 2 black balls has to be selected from 3 black balls. So it can be written using combination 3C2. At the same time, you didn't draw any red balls. That's why I have written 4C0. So divided by, so 7C2. Why I have written, it's a probability. Probability means number of favorable events divided by n of s. So n of s only I have written. So out of 7 balls, we have to take 2 balls. So this is your n of s, and this is the favorable number of favorable outcomes to x is equal to 0. Next you have to find out. So this has to be calculated. 4C0, you know, it is 1, and 3C2, how it will be calculated? 3C2, that is 3 into combination 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. So you know the combination you have studied in 11th standard. So 3C2 means you have to write 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. Starting from 3, by reducing 1, you have to write 2 elements. So that's why 3 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. 7C2, how it will be written? 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2. So this denominator getting cancelled. The numerator is what? 6 divided by, what is that? 7 into 6. So here 6 getting cancelled. The answer is 1 by 7. And coming to P of x is equal to 1. So P of x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. 1 means it's a number of red ball is 1. So we have to take totally 2 balls. One red ball means the other one should be a black ball. So we have to take from 4 red balls, we have to select 1 red ball, and from 3 black balls, you have to select 1 black balls, divided by the sample space is 7C2. Okay, so therefore the answer is, what is it? 4C1 is 4. Okay, 3C1 is 3. Divided by 7C2 is 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2. Okay, so see now, 4 into 3 divided by, so the 2 6 getting cancelled, so therefore here 3 getting cancelled, so the answer is 4 by 7. Next you have to take P of x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 means what? P of x is equal to 2. X equal to 2 means the number of red ball is 2. So what we have taken from the yarn, both are red balls. So from totally how many red balls? 4 red balls. From 4 red balls, you have to select 2 red balls. At the same time, you didn't select any black ball. So 3C0 divided by 7C2. So without replacement means you can use the combination 1. 4C2, how it will be written? 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. 3C0 is 1. So here into 1 the same answer. Divided by 7C2 is 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2. So this 1 by 2 denominator getting cancelled. So you are having 4 into 3 divided by 7 into 6. This 3 and 6 getting cancelled. So 4 by 7 into 2. So this 2 and 4 getting cancelled. Here in the numerator you are having 2 by 7. So what we have written here, x values are 0, 1, 2. Next you can write probability mass function. P of x equal to 0 means what you are getting? X is equal to 0. P of x equal to 0, the probability mass, that is the probability is 1 by 7. So we have found P of x equal to 0, 1 by 7. P of x equal to 1, it is 4 by 7. So it is written. P of x is equal to 2, it is 2 by 7. So what is asked? Probability mass function is over. The second one, mean is asked. Mean. So what formula you have to use? Summation or integration? It's a summation. Only 3 values. So it is countable. So it is a discrete random variable. So you have to use summation. Summation of x into f of x. So x and f of x. This is your probability mass function. You can denote by f of x also. So 0 into 1 by 7 is 0. 1 into 4 by 7, 4 by 7. 2 into 2 by 7 is 4 by 7. So the mean is equal to 8 by 7. So in this problem which is not asked, variance is not asked. So therefore mean is equal to 8 by 7. Thank you, students.